Hello and welcome. My name is Amul and you are watching Ease Coding. In this video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall or remove WordPress instance or website from cpanel. So go ahead and log into your cpanel account and then look for WordPress Manager by SoftQless. Okay, this hosting service is from Namecheap. This might look slightly different on your server or on your cpanel. So you can simply type WordPress, and you should get it. Okay, so once you're here, you will see all the listed WordPress installation on your domain name. So simply click on this drop down arrow and then you can remove it or uninstall it. So I'll go ahead and remove it. Okay, now if you do not want to keep the directory, simply check this box, remove the database, check this box, remove database user. So anything that you do not want to keep, just go ahead and remove, check the boxes to be removed. Okay, and then simply say remove installation. So this is going to remove WordPress, and you can see the installation was removed successfully. You can return to WordPress management and you can see this is what you have done. So go ahead and remove one more. Remove. You can check these boxes if you wish to. I don't care. So this server has already expired. So that's how you can remove WordPress installation on cpanel using SoftQless WordPress Manager. Thank you for watching.